for Muncie front side. We don't do a lot of front side stuff. No prep front side. We're just pretty much going to support Muncie, our local track. You know, everybody's going. I think Bumper's going, Adam's going, myself. I'm just testing. I don't have the money to waste on a race, especially front side, where I'll probably go get my doors kicked in. But hey, it'll be fun. And just see if this thing. I want to get in the fours, but we'll see. But that's what we're doing. So.
As always, I'm not going to make the call. I'm going to let you guys as drivers make the call. I know you got Mike, all-wheel drive, got one big tire car. Do we make one big purse and make a race tonight? And let them two all in?
I'm okay with it.
Let them in?
What's the big tire car? Is he going to go out there and run threes? Dustin's no. I mean,
wait. They haven't made it.
No,
he's got 4-point shield in the back. I think it's his dial.
Here's what my suggestion is. You let them in, but they call each other out first round. This is our first one. The next event, try to get the guys here, because if the next event doesn't happen, if it's like this, I won't do no more. You know, we kill it on the big end, and we'll just ixnay it up here, and it'll all be on the big end. So, you know, that's all I ask, you know, because like I said, we got sponsors on board. They want to see their name out there. Tell the guys, you know, we're going to do what we can, make it fun. Tonight, we're just going to have fun tonight. Somebody's going home with some money.
Hey, right? Yep, I'm in left. Wait, you just... We're in left.
Shut up! It's alright. He's got a bad habit of not going past first round, so don't worry about it.
Dustin
And Doug. Doug got lane choice? He's got the L, yep. You got lane choice.
Friday night. Me neither. I just feel like today is my day to not.
Who's my number twos?
Wish I'd have known you there. On your left. All right, you want these or?
Yeah, I'll tell you what lane you taking.
Oh, you get to choose?
Yeah,
shit.
Let's go on there.
Said L, I'll just pick left. We both probably go
my fours?
Okay.
That was fun. It's so sticky. Alan's car went left again.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, wow.
That was ugly.
Fastest, yeah, 583.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you got the fun.
That's what it feels like for like bumper every time.
Yeah, every pass. It left and you pedal and it was just like, wow! I was like, oh shit, dude.
It was pissed off.
I was like, I don't think it's supposed to make that.
No, it got pissed off early and then about mid-track and then about the end of the track. It was like every time the power came in. That was fun, man.
That's what we needed.
Yeah, I forgot how to do a burnout at a track. I forgot to turn the line lock off because I tried shifting to second and it started going sideways. I'm like, oh, what do I do? Man, that was ugly. I kind of pushed it everywhere. I was cruising back, I'm like, man, it smells like transmission fluid. Like, hope I didn't burn this thing up. And I look out back and it's just bleh, 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 pouring just out of the breather. So cleaned it up, I think pretty much, so that it won't drive over it here. So the pass was good. You know, it wasn't real fast or nothing. I need to look at the log. I probably need more air pressure. It was just paddling the tire the whole time. The track was way better than we thought. I was gonna put radials on it, took them off because I thought we were gonna scrape down the concrete. It didn't get scraped that far, so the radials would be mint out here right now, I think. But yeah, it was enough to get it done. I'm trying to go a little bit faster this next pass, probably put some more air pressure in it. It didn't flip over. That was like the biggest deal. So I know that I can just slam a bunch more power in it and let it eat now. So.
It felt weird. Like the front just felt like it was driving everywhere. I don't know. I got everything full time. Maybe I'll loosen it up a little bit. It's driving all funny right now.
Had some issues with a couple sensors and I fluffed the burnout and I don't know what to expect this pass. is still overfilled, so we're puking out like a sumbitch, but dude, that was a good time, man. Bitch just went, I was like, all right, we ain't getting out. Set her down real nice and just, pew, she gone. That was money, dude. That was so much fun. Let's just do it. I got Bumper, I think, right? Me and Bumper. All right,
All MAK final we've been looking for.
Dude, finally got it, you know. Wish it was on the backtrack, but that pass was so freaking awesome.
Oh, that was fun. That was a good time. I think I got him on the light, but he drove around me and there was no catching him. I mean, that was fun. It was a good time.
It takes a lot of the stress off when it's, well, it was only 8 cars, but when it's me and Adam, you know. Of course, you're going to try to win, but it's a win-win, whoever it is. You're spooling about normal now, right? Okay. All right, good. Both get in, once you both finish. Yep, no killing each other. No die over it. Whoa, buddy! Watch the pain, dude! Oh, he's about to get the ass whooping of a lifetime. No, this is going to be a good one. He's doing really, really good tonight. He's probably out 60-footing me. So really, I think it's going to be a good race. I want to win, but I kind of hope he does. Not enough to let out, but I kind of hope he does. Shut the belt. The belt wasn't on it, so it didn't have enough voltage. The battery voltage was low because the belt's not on it. I didn't realize, I didn't check it. So it didn't have enough battery voltage to make the brake work. Dude, the belt wasn't on it. Oh, damn it. I didn't realize. I didn't check. So it was low voltage to transfer. And that's why I wouldn't go. Yep, it was running leaner than normal. I'm like, okay, maybe just fuel correction. On my way back, I looked 11.4. I'm like, mother. Hey, let me tell you the good news. What? Because it was just me and you, it's an even split. Hey! We'll take it. I wonder if my belt's here somewhere. I didn't think about checking it the whole time. It must have just came off on the old wheelie pass. But I want, see, if they're gonna keep testing, I want to make another lick, see if that shit'll hold right there, because that was gonna be a super spicy one. 14 hundo right there. We can basically. Is it really? Yeah. Oh. We can basically buy. It was only 100. Dude, we can buy anything here. Yeah, looking good.
Hey, do it again and get a picture of you.
Picture shot.
Alan, is Pizza King staying open for us? How long we got, dude?
You know, it's even better when you go in after the close. That's the best.
You're gonna be up picking pizzas all night, dude.
I'm not very good at talking, but my man here, corporate, he's from corporate. We came down just to see our first race. He's never driven before. He did okay tonight. I've never tuned before. The car is brand new. It's never been out before. It did great.
It did.
Yeah.
It did.
We went right all night though.
Yeah, ran steady fours all night.
Yeah,
I mean high fours, but
yeah, in the 330.
It was good.
Conclusion, not a whole lot of cars showed up. We were hoping for more, but we, like like always, made the best of it. Sean and Adam were in the finals. Adam threw a belt. Actually, the truck that passed before probably made his best passes ever made. Threw a belt and the burnout, so it didn't have voltage. Transmig didn't work. Sean gapped him. He won.
For the record, I almost beat Sean in the semifinal.
Dude, I almost had you.
You almost had me. You never had me. You never had your car.
I mean,
I had him for like
300
feet,
foot,
300 feet,
700 foot, for sure. Catfish Billy did make a pretty good.
Made a lick.
And he drove it. He did good.
My first time.
Yep. So next up, he's gonna drive his other car, Uncle Sam.
Yeah. I'll be driving Uncle Sam next time you see him.
Yeah, War in the Woods. He's gonna put it in the woods.
Nick might be driving Catfish Billy.
Yeah, I'm putting that in the woods for sure. So it's only fair. In conclusion, we haven't really concluded anything. We've literally just went around.
Nobody showed up.
Yeah. Sean won. Adam broke. Basically, everything that always happens happened tonight. Catfish Dilly showed very promising results.
Yeah.
Didn't do too well.
Yeah.
Sean won, Adam broke, and all of us just hung out. So that's literally what happens every time we go racing. Maybe one day we'll change that.
I can find better things to do.
Me too, dude.